Hello students of standard 3rd. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy at your home and enjoying your studies. Mall Public School welcomes you all in e-class. Let's begin an online session of English. This is Renuka Sishivar, your English teacher, and our today's topic is the ostrich and the haddock. This is part 2. Before to start the lesson, let's take a short recap what we have learned in part 1. Let's start the lesson. This is the lesson about ostrich and the haddock. One beautiful morning in summer, a haddock went for a walk across a barley field. One beautiful morning in summer, a haddock went for a walk across a barley field. There were rows of tall barley plants in the field. At the edge of the field, edge it means corner. At the edge of the field, he met an ostrich. Good morning, he said to the ostrich in a cheerful voice. But the ostrich looked down at him and said, I don't talk to stumpy-legged creature like you. My legs may be stumpy, but I can run faster than any other animal, said the haddock. No one can run faster than I can. Don't you see how long my legs are? Said the ostrich. Why don't we have a race then? Said the haddock. Then we will see who is the faster runner, you or I. Agreed, said the ostrich. Shall we start? But the haddock said, Let me go home and take my breakfast. Let me go home and take my breakfast. I can't run on an empty stomach. Shall we have the race at midday? Sure, said the ostrich. The ostrich went home and went to sleep. The haddock went home and brought his mother and father, brothers, sisters, cousins, even aunts and uncles to the barley field. Yes, when they both agreed for race, the ostrich went home and went to sleep. But the haddock went home and brought his mother and father, brothers, sisters, cousins, even aunts and uncles to the barley fields for the race. He made them take their position in such a way that there was a haddock at both the ends of each row of barley plants. He made them take their position in such a way that there was a haddock at both the ends of each row of barley plants. At midday, the haddock and the ostrich met at the barley field and the race started. The ostrich began at the first row. He took long strides and soon reached the end of the row. He was surprised to see a haddock already there waiting for him. So you have raced, said the haddock to the ostrich. The ostrich was so surprised that he didn't reply. He ran back along the next row. Again, when he reached the end, he found a haddock waiting for him. The ostrich could not tell the differences between one haddock and another and believed that he had been bitten. This happened several times. When he reached the end of the last row, he found a haddock sitting there also. The haddock was fresh and smiling. The ostrich could not understand how he had been bitten, by a stumpy little haddock. He went away on his tired, sore feet and buried his head deep in the sand. In this way, Haddock beaten him in the race because that ostrich was so proudy. He was so proud of his long legs. So, my dear children, what do you learn from this lesson? And what is the moral of this lesson? The moral of the lesson is pride goes before a fall. So, we should not be so proud and haughty. We should always be calm and quiet and helpful, because pride goes before a fall always. So I hope everybody understood and enjoyed this lesson, the ostrich and the haddock. Let's solve today's assignment. This is your today's assignment. What lesson do you learn from the story? And give reason for your answer. We will see you in our next lesson. Till then, bye bye. Thank you and have a nice day.